Good morning, guys. Well, it's day 3 and I'm on my way to work. I didn't film anything at the gym today. I didn't film anything at all at the gym today. And it is day 3. I did go, so I don't really feel like vlogging, but I know like I started this journey and I don't know if I will vlog every single day, but at least I will kind of throw in clips discussing like what I did or what I ate. Yeah, today was a good day. This morning, guys, I actually woke up at like 4:30, and yeah, by the time I got going, like got the car all warmed up, I was so proud of myself because I got up really early, and my goal was to try to make it at 5:30 in the morning every day to the gym, and recently I've been going like at 6:30 in the morning. So today it was like 5:12. And I did even more of a cardio. Like I went hard. I was sweating like these last the other days I sweat a little but not too much, and I think it's because I don't drink enough water. And so what I've been doing is drinking a lot of water, and I noticed that I was like sweating bullets. Like it was just literally falling down my face. So that is what I'm trying to do, and I went up, like I burned more calories today than I usually ever do. So, and then hopefully tonight I can make it. There shouldn't be any excuses, but instead of looking at my boring face, I'm on my way to work. Yeah, so I guess I will just talk to you guys later because I need to drive. Bye. It doesn't seem that bad, but honestly, like right before you go to bed, that's probably not a good choice. Like Ritz crackers, graham crackers, like that's horrible. Might as well just eat cookies. But carrots and pomegranate, and I was kind of hungry still. Like I feel like I could eat 1 million baby carrots and I still would be kind of hungry. I think it's just because it's like a very light fruit veggie, you know. I get it. So when I woke up in the morning, I was like ready to go. My stomach didn't feel bloated to go to the gym, so I pushed extra hard at the gym. Like it all combines, it all works out great. See you guys later. Right now I'm gonna be doing a lash fill, and then what else do I have? Do I have 2 lash fills? No, I have a lot of work today. So somewhere there when I get a break, I have watermelon in my fridge and I have boiled eggs. So that is gonna be lunch or whatever. And I just ate right now. I ate in the morning. I ate like at 7 in the morning, and then now I ate again at 11. And I know it's kind of close, but I'd rather eat right now and then not eat at all and then just have no energy for the gym. So I ate tuna, and so that's it. So I just showed a clip of me cleaning. I'm cleaning the storage room because it's really, really dirty. And I kind of had everything unorganized. Because I'm here Monday through Friday, sometimes on the weekends. So I needed to just go ahead and like get all my stuff situated because it was looking crazy. So I'm getting hungry. So I'm not sure what I'm going to eat. But I don't know. Hey, I finally caught it on camera. I'm just kidding. Everything, I swear, this coast has been on one. Quietly eating my watermelon. And it scares me to death. Later, I'm gonna finish my watermelon. And then I was thinking of going to the gym, but I don't know about you, but I seriously cannot go to the gym with any food in my stomach. I will just projectile vomit. Like, I don't know what it is. Before I was rudely interrupted by that ghost,
purchase the entire collection.
I was watching Raw Beauty Christie. I love her.
Way more extensive.
So talk to you later. Bye. And one thing, if I don't get back on here and vlog, today still is day 3 and I will be going to the gym tonight. Hopefully I can like update you if I have my camera on me. Last night I was proud of myself because usually I snack like on crackers or something, and I had carrots, baby carrots, and a pomegranate, and like we had a party. Like I watched a Disney movie and we ate some fruit and veggies. So, okay, so I gotta go all the way around because I'm trying to get new parking tickets today. I usually like to snack and like watch movies, which I don't usually watch movies. Like there's never really time, but like Disney Plus is so freaking nice. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna drive all the way around and park over there. I have one more client, but I just went in and retouched. What? I went in and retouched my nails because they needed a little touch up, but I really love them. You can't see because of the lighting. There you go. It's more like a nude, and I freaking love just like the bling. So I refilled them. Like right now it's gonna be 5:30 and I'm waiting for my last client, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you that I decorated a little bit. Look at these. That's my area, my room, and I put some balls up and a bell, and then I put this little thing, so cute. And then I'm like so in the Christmas spirit. And then I have my little tree, which that shouldn't be near it. Cute. And there's my hubbies. I will talk to you guys. Sneak you into the gym tonight if I go, which I plan on going. But I don't know, because there's a girl that wants her nails done, and I might do her nails, and it takes me a while. So I'll be here all night. So I'll let you guys know tomorrow if I came or not.